Welcome to my video. In this video, I would like to share what I have learned from my temple class this semester. My explanation is based on the material provided by our lecturer is Mr. Putu Kadambayana Saputra, which includes literature-based learning, cooperative learning, discovery or inquiry-based learning, and then problem-based learnings, project-based learnings, and innovative strategies for listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Besides the course material, I also refers to the ideas of student-centered learnings discussed by educational experts such as Jerome Branners, and then John Dewey, and then Lev Vygotsky. Because these ideas are closely related to many of teaching approaches we learn. And the first topic is literature-based learnings. This approach uses literary texts such as short stories and then poems, novel, or drama to teach English. The purpose is not only to improve students' language skill but also to develop their critical thinking and cultural understandings. Personally, I think this approach uh, is interesting, because students can learn English while enjoying meaningful stories. The second topic is cooperative learnings. According to this approach, students learn better when they work together in small groups. They help each other, share ideas, and complete tasks together. In my opinion, this method creates a more active classroom because students are involved in the learning process instead of only listening to the teacher. Next topic is discovery or inquiry based learning. This approach is influenced by Jerome Brandner idea that students learn better when they discover knowledge by themselves. Instead of giving their answer, the teacher guides students to ask questions, explore information, and make conclusions. I think this approach helps students become more independent and confident learners. Another opinion is problem based another approach is problem-based learning. In this method, learning starts with real-life problems. Students work together to analyze the problem and find possible solutions. This approach is also related to John Dewey's ideas that learning becomes more meaningful when it is connected to a real experience. I believe this method helps students improve both their English and their problem-solving skills. We also learned about project-based learnings. In this approach, students create a project such as a presentation, poster, video, or digital product using English. So, the project students practice the language while developing creativity and teamwork. Personally, I enjoy this approach because students can produce something meaningful instead of only completing worksheets. Okay, besides those teachings approach, we also learn innovative strategies for teachings the for English skills. For listening, teacher can use songs and then podcasts and then video and then movies to make learning more interesting. For speakings, for speaking activities such as a role plays and then discussion, interview, and then a presentation help students become more confident in using English. Okay, as is for readings. For these strategies like skimming and scanning help students understand text more effectively. And next is for writings. Students learn through a process of planning, drafting, revising, and receiving feedback so they can improve their writing step by step. One important thing that I noticed is that all of these approaches support 21 country skills. The skill include critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communications. Also known as the as the 4 Cs. And then critical thinking is developed when students analyze information and solve problems. And creativity grows when students create projects or present new ideas. And collaboration happen when students work together and in groups. Communication is practice of discussion, presentation, and then speaking activities, and then writing tests. Okay, after studying Taiwan this semester, I realized that being in English teacher is not only about teaching grammar or a vocabulary. A teacher should also be able to create learning environment where students active, motivated, and confident. The teacher role is not only to explain the lesson but also to guide and support students them talk the learning process. That's all about our materials. I do apologize when I have any mistake. Thank you for watching.